exploring the meaning of renowned, unraveling its essence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating word that you might have heard quite often: renowned. Understanding words like this can really add depth to your English conversations. So, let's explore together what renowned really means and how you can use it in your daily English. The word renowned is an adjective, which means it's used to describe someone or something. It originates from the idea of being known or recognized by many people. When we say someone is renowned, we are saying they are famous, especially in a particular field or for a specific skill. For instance, if a scientist is renowned, they are widely known for their contributions to science. Now, let's see how to use renowned in actual sentences. 1. In context of people, Marie Curie is a renowned physicist and chemist for her work on radioactivity. 2. Referring to places or things, the Louvre Museum in Paris is renowned for its vast art collection. 3. Describing ideas or works, Shakespeare's plays are renowned for their profound impact on English literature. Each of these examples shows the word being used to highlight fame or distinction. To expand your vocabulary, it's helpful to know words with similar and opposite meanings. Synonyms: famous, celebrated, distinguished, eminent, acclaimed. Antonyms: unknown, obscure, infamous, notorious, for negative reasons. Understanding these can help you choose the right word for the right context. When using renowned, remember: 1. It's mostly used for positive recognition. 2. Don't confuse it with infamous, which also means well-known but for negative reasons. 3. Renowned is not typically used to describe everyday objects or people without a widespread reputation. I hope this video has made the word renowned clearer and more accessible for you. Remember, expanding your vocabulary can enrich your conversations and open up new ways of expressing yourself. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!